There are many queries related to the exercise of many patients in pericocele. The first query in these queries is that if I am exercising and I am experiencing pain during that time, so should I continue that exercise or not? Look, it is a simple thing. Whatever exercise is increasing your pain, it means that it is putting a load, giving a problem. So you have to avoid that exercise. I have told you a relaxing exercise in which you can raise your legs. There is an exercise of lying down on a pillow at an angle of 90 degrees. You see, just continue this exercise and avoid all the other exercises. In some exercises, I think, all the patients have some problem when they sit in the Malasana, or they sit in the hero pose. In Malasana, we want to relieve constipation. When you sit in this posture, the pressure is generated automatically to pass the stool. That is why we have put the Malasana in this. So, some patients have some problem with Malasana, not all patients. They feel like they are getting stretched out from inside. Their testicles feel like someone is pulling them down. So, you should not do that exercise. You can use something else for that. For example, if you have constipation at home, you can do constipation relief. Or you can drink milk and turmeric at night so that you can be fresh in the morning. Another exercise is hero pose. It is normal to do hero pose. You will not feel any pain or discomfort. But, some patients tell us that when we sit in that posture, we sometimes feel discomfort. So, when you feel discomfort, you can do that exercise on an empty stomach. Empty stomach means when you feel fresh in the morning, you can sit in hero pose for some time and then go to the relaxing posture. That's it. These two exercises will be enough. Some patients also ask whether to put a supporter during exercise or not. So, according to me, if you are carrying a supporter, you can put a supporter and do the exercise. Because the supporter is basically to support from below. If you are putting a supporter, it is very good. But, if you are not putting a supporter for the relaxing exercise, then there is no problem. I have told you about the exercise which raises the legs. If you are not putting a supporter for that, then there is no problem. Because you can do that exercise before going to sleep. For example, we go in the morning, do our normal exercise. In the evening, after having dinner, after taking a gap of 1 hour, you do some relaxing exercise. Then you go to sleep. Now, let's talk about one more thing. Should we do it twice or thrice in a day? Or how many times should we do the exercises? You should do the exercise only twice. It is not necessary that you should do it twice. If you do it once in a day, that is also enough. If you are doing it twice, then it is a good thing. It is such a matter. Suppose, I am doing exercise in the morning and I do it all day long. And I do the exercise again at night. Then it is a good thing. If you don't get time in the morning, you can do the exercise at night. Then also it is fine. There is no problem. Because in most of the cases, our patients are mostly from the police, army or are doing training. So, they don't get that much time that they can repeat this exercise twice or thrice. So, if you are doing it once in a day, after any physical activity, like patients, army or anyone, then their training is going on, or they are already trained, or they are working in the peace area. So, they see the problem there. Because in the peace area, their training or exercise pattern is going on daily. Or PT is going on. So, after point, come to the room and relax for a while. You can do the activity normally, or you run a little or ride a bike. Then lie down for a while. So, these are some elements that you can do relaxing exercise anytime. But if you do it once in a day, that is also enough. If you have understood a little from this video, then you can ask me anything in the comment section below. No problem. But I have solved all the queries in this video. But if there is any query left, then you can comment below and ask me the answer. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.